Are you looking to integrate AI into your projects? In this video, we'll show you how to build a WebSocket setup that integrates with AI, enabling seamless, real-time interactions in your applications. Let's start by executing the workflow. This will set a workflow variable to store data and start up the web server. Now that the web server is live, users can access it in their web browser. Once a user visits the link for the chat page, the Web API endpoint in the Shift workflow is triggered, and the web page is sent to the user. When the web page is loaded, it will connect to the WebSocket server running in the workflow. Upon connection to the WebSocket, the Shift workflow will add the user to the workflow variable to keep track of it. When the user sends a message in the chat, it will trigger the WebSocket in the Shift workflow, sending along the user's message. The workflow picks up the user's chat history and appends the message. The list of messages is then passed to GPT. ChatGPT's answer is added to the user's chat history, and the answer is sent back to the user. When multiple users visit the chat page and interact with the WebSocket server, Shift will automatically queue each socket event. The workflow processes each event independently, ensuring that all users' interactions are handled smoothly. When the user closes the web page, the WebSocket disconnect signal gets triggered in Shift, and we remove the chat history of the user. WebSockets are coming to Shift. Whether you're looking to enhance your applications with real-time data, integrate AI-driven solutions, or build more interactive user experiences, Shift workflows make it simple and efficient.